You are a business owner that wants to flood his local business with new incoming customers every month with predictability. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 principles for local business owners that are struggling to sign new deals to becoming selling machines. The first principle you need to learn if you want to start signing new deals is that in order to get customers, you have to let them notice that you exist. And this is really the issue that I'm seeing the most with nowadays local business owners, that they're focusing in the wrong stuff. And what a couple of years ago worked, in today's modern era, in today's digitalized era, doesn't. And yes, I'm talking about the online world. I'm talking about the social media. Your public actions there will have a direct effect on your client acquisition. Because of course, you can merely rely on word-of-mouth referrals. But what if that isn't enough? And there is nothing wrong with that, by the way. Trying some things out, new projects, new experiences, basically putting your skin into the game will actually benefit your business in the long run. So just remember, if you want to become a selling machine, you must first learn where to start and where to begin with, and from there you will keep improving, so you will start attracting your customers' attention by basically becoming better and better at it. Now, the next principle for local business owners to become selling machines is cost to elevate. And here's what I mean by that. There's a lot of businesses that are paying and putting tons of effort into getting different sources of new customers. But the issue is that the cost you're paying for those leads are the reflection of their quality. Angie's, Home Advisor, Thumbtack, Porch, Yelp, the list could go on and on. But the mere fact that pages like this charge largest amounts of money and are basically sharing your leads between your competition really speaks loud about what you're truly paying for. You could also be running Facebook ads to potentially grab people's attention. But the problem is that most people only focus on the cost per lead instead of the quality per lead. Now, if you tried out one of these services or multiple of them, you would have actually noticed that the amount of time, follow-up, and persuasion requirements in order to sign one of these deals aren't actually worth it at all. Now, the third principle for local business owners to become selling machines is taking pride. And here's what I mean by that. When your social media accounts have a lower count of followers or reviews, people are going to automatically discredit you. And you don't want to make it worse by the shown quality of your services. So here's the thing. You could have the best service in the entire country, but if you're not able to take pride of it, if you're not able to showcase it to the world, the first thing that new coming customers will think of is what you can offer instead of the actual top-notch service that you can deliver for them and fulfill their expectations. And it's because I've experienced this firsthand. People will automatically judge you based on the amount of followers, likes, or reviews you may have posted on your social media. So don't give them an excuse or a reason to make it even bigger than what it needs to be. Now, moving to the next principle is no casual approach. Either something serious or nothing at all. Listen, if you're a business owner that offers services, you don't want to waste your time on people that are hesitant whether they should take this or that. If you're able to show them what your services are capable of, if you're able to make them feel like they're not at a common place, they will think that they are getting the best deal they can find out there. Showing professionalism and being sure that the project that you're embarking your clients in will work will actually make that your clients won't leave your local business just to go to the one in front. To end with, the last principle to tie all this together is investing early and invest as much as you can. So here's the thing, if you can start adding these upgrades into your own business today, if you can start changing the way you approach business and the way you find new qualified leads, if you can invest into these little things that will actually make your business better, I can guarantee that you will find a reliable and a stable success in your own business. Because not having to care about your lead acquisition systems will make your business career and your life a whole lot better. So, ladies and gentlemen, I presented these 5 principles as a wake-up call for those who are looking to actually improve their business, and for those who are seeking for solutions. I will actually make sure to leave all my social media links on the description so you can reach me out if you have any inquiry or you need any help setting up something. Just hit me up and I'll make sure to answer and to actually give my best to help you. And as always, my name is Paul. I hope you enjoyed the video and you find some value in it. And if you did so, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.